What is up, YouTube? This is Paul Radiker back with another video. I just thought I'd go over my first impressions of the Fast Snail Switch dock that I got off Amazon. It just arrived in the mail, so I'm gonna go pick that up and I will tell you guys what I think of it. Okay, I went outside to go grab it and I think my dad already got the mail, so I'm gonna go up to my room and see if it's already laying on my bed. Okay, so it turns out my dad did bring the package up here after getting the mail. But go ahead and unbox this for you guys and give you my first impressions. Okay, so I actually got two things. I got an Amazon Basics Ethernet adapter for my Switch, as well as, this is the dock right here. So this is how the dock, or I guess sort of hub, looks like. It can work with MacBooks and pretty much any device that has USB-C DisplayPort compatibility. I know a lot of current Lenovo laptops will also work with that. So basically how this works is that you would plug this into your Switch, and then you'd plug the official Nintendo charging cable into this little USB-C port here, and that would charge your Switch while this is plugged into your Switch. Then you would plug the HDMI cable for your TV into here, so that would go from the hub to your TV. And the USB 3.0 port here, that would connect to any adapters you want to connect to your Switch, such as like an Ethernet adapter, which I have over there. Or like, say you want to connect your controller to be wired, you can connect that there too. That is one downside of this, there's only one USB port. Personally, I don't mind that because I hardly ever plug devices into my Switch dock anyway. That is pretty much the gist of it. It seems like a pretty simple idea, but the question is it going to deliver? So for the purposes of this test, I'm going to be connecting it to my HDMI monitor here. This is the monitor I use primarily for my computer, but I can also use it for any other devices that use HDMI or DisplayPort. It's as easy as plugging in your Switch to the hub, just like that. I just want to note, if you do want to use this hub as a dock, you will need to get something like this. I've heard that it only really works with a Nintendo branded AC adapter. I'm sure you could get something else that would work. Just make sure that it's going to work with the Nintendo Switch dock. Pretty much any AC adapter that would work with the official dock will work with this third-party one. So if all goes well, I should be able to just plug the AC adapter into this hub, just like that, and the Switch should come up on my monitor in just a bit. Well, maybe not. Okay, so it seems that we're running into some issues already. I can feel the fan going. Oh, there it is. It's working. Yep, looks like it is working. So let me get a controller. Yep, and just like that, I am playing my Switch on my monitor using a third-party dock. I mean, it should work about the same way as a regular dock, the official one provided by Nintendo. Only real difference is that if you do want to use this dock, I would highly recommend putting it up on a stand or something, because the air intake fan that's at the bottom here is going to be covered by a surface if you place it flat on a surface. So like, if you place it down like this, those fans are going to be covered up. So that might not be the best idea to just have it flat on a surface like this. But if you can manage to get all the fans opened up for air, then it should work. I currently do not have a solution to the air problem. I'll figure something out eventually. So guys, I hope this helped you out. If it did, give this video a thumbs up. If it didn't, give it a thumbs down. And for any more tech-related videos, go ahead and subscribe to this channel for more. This has been Paul Radiker giving you a first look at a third-party Switch dock, and I will see you guys in the next video.